What's good, YouTube? It's your boy TQ, and we are back with another video. If you are new to my channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It is very much appreciated. So as you can see, I want to go in, but kind of stretching out my client's hair. He said he getting a big chop, not all the way down to wave length, but just a little bit. I'm gonna call it a big trim. He getting a little big trim, so we're gonna knock it down to like a mini fro. This is my guy Mike, man. He always cuts it off and then grows it back. You know what I'm saying? His hair grow pretty quick, so I think he said he grew this out in the span of 2 years. So as you can see, man, his hair grow fast, man, extremely fast. But so we stretching the hair and we just cutting off I want to say 4 or 5 inches of his hair off, just getting it down to the desired length that he wants.
I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
$8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might say fuck them niggas that you getting with. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
We break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, be the last one out to get the stove. No way, love one of you bucket head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, you bitch.
So right here, I want to go ahead and set my first bald guideline, kind of in a rainbow shape. What this does, it allows me, once I get done blending the fade, I'll go back and edge it up, and it allows me to have that C-cup pop out a little more. So that's basically what we're doing here. We're just using a rainbow shape to kind of have our C-cup show up a little bit more. So right here, we want to go ahead and clean up that facial hair. All he wants is his mustache and, you know, the hair on his chin, basically a goatee that doesn't connect.
You come from your bitch, and that's a lifestyle that we never knew. Go at a revenue for the revenue.
So then we take our no guard open and we create our next guideline. And we're just going back over it a few times, just making sure we get everything down to a level length. Shortly afterwards, we take our one guard open and we create that next guideline. So right here, I'm more so using the 2 corner teeth of my guard because I don't want to go up too high. He stated that he wanted a low taper, so he wanted to keep as much hair as he possibly could. So I went ahead and just used the corner to kind of keep as much hair as I possibly could.
$8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. $8 might say fuck them niggas that you getting with. That's just how I feel.
And then right after that, we want to go ahead and use that no guard close and take out that first initial guideline that we created. And right here, we're also using the 2 teeth of the blade to gradually take out that line, because we don't want to create another guideline, because if we use the full blade, we're more prone to creating another guideline, and we don't want to do that. So we go ahead and transfer over to the back of the neck, and we want to go ahead and set our first bald guideline to set the foundation for the rest of the fade. Then we use our no guard open to create our next guideline. And then right after that, we want to go ahead and transition to the second guideline using our one guard open. Now for all those beginner barbers out there, hair cutting can be very meticulous at times, man, and it just takes patience, man. You gotta have patience when it comes to this game, man. If you want to be a part of this game, you have to have patience. You gotta see it through before it's even done. You gotta paint the picture in your head first before you even get done with the haircut, man. So that's really what you have to do, man. You have to visualize before you attack, man. You got to see it before you even get into it. Just stay patient and trust the process. Next up, I go ahead and work out that bottom guideline with the no guard close and gradually open my liver when I'm going up in the transition. And right here, I'm more so utilizing the corner teeth of my blade to take out that line, just to ensure that we don't create another guideline.
I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your.
And then we take our half guard and knock out that second guideline we created.
If I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
So then I take my clipper and I do a little freehand action right there by the occipital bone. And I'm just knocking out that extra bulk that's above the fade and above the blend. I could have knocked it out with a 2 or a 1.5 open, but I just decided to do a freehand just to make it a quicker process.
$8 turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel, just how I feel.
We break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, be the last one out to get the stove. No way, not one of you bucket head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it.
And right here, you can see I'm using the corner of my blades to just basically detail, fix any dark spots that I see within the fade using the corners. This is something that differentiates you from other barbers, just going back and detailing, trying to fix those little blemishes that you see in the blend.
Them rappers wasn't cool.
They wasn't cool, they wasn't.
I fucked Shireen and went to tell my bros.
Tell my bros,
Then Usher Raymond let it burn came on.
that burn game on, that burn game.
I saw all that night I rhyming, yeah bitch.
Yeah, bitch.
Park the car, then we start rhyming, yeah bitch.
Yeah, bitch.
The only thing we had to free our mind.
Free your mind.
Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs.
$dollar signs.
You looking like an easy come up, yeah bitch.
Yeah, bitch.
A silver spoon, I know you come from, yeah bitch.
Yeah, bitch.
And that's a lifestyle that we never knew.
We never knew.
So then we go ahead and take that Gots to Be spritz and we just preparing that line up for the trimmers.
Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
The one in front of the gun forever.
So I go ahead and transfer over to the other side. I kind of sped it up because it's basically the same process that we do on the other side. So enjoy this time lapse,
That's just
man.
how I feel, just how I feel, just $8 make just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel, just how I feel, just $8 Mike, say fuck the niggas that you came with. That's just how I feel, just how I feel.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I can't get to let you know.
You say you don't really dance. Just one step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say it. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say it.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
So once we have let that spritz air dry on the hairline, we go ahead and edge it up real quick.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Nah. $8 might say fuck them niggas that you getting with. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Yeah. $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Yeah. $8 might turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel.
We break the code. No way. Hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way. Be the last one out to get the stove. No way. Not one of you bucket head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me is you with it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. What's persuasive? From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dream the living life like rappers do. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. They wasn't. I fucked Shireen and went to tell my bros. Then Usher Raymond let it burn came on. Hot sauce all at night top rhyming, yeah, bitch. Park the car, then we start rhyming, yeah, bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, yeah, bitch. A silver spoon, I know you come from, yeah, bitch. And that's a lifestyle that we never knew. Go at a rest.
So I seen on some parts of his fro, he kind of had some hair sticking out. So I'm just going ahead and freehand and just bringing everything together and making it look uniform.
Go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
The one in front of the gun forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just the same. Money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Yeah. $8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Yeah. $8 might say fuck them niggas that you getting with. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know.
You say you don't really dance. Just one step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Now my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say it. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say it.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your.
Then lastly, we go ahead and take our razor and we're just knocking off those little stubble hairs that's in front of the hairline. Just basically giving it a sharper look and making the haircut last longer.
Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
$8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Nah. $8 might say fuck them niggas that you getting with. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Yeah. $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Yeah.
So we are inching closer to the end of this video. My guy came in looking a little rough. He had a lot of hair that I had to tame, a lot of hair that I had to cut off. But he didn't want to completely cut all his hair off. He wanted to keep some, so that's what we did here. And he came in looking a little crazy and came out looking like the man with a plan. But it's your boy TQ. He in good hands just like State Farm. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, we out.